all adjacent duplicates in a string, given a string as consisting of lowercase English letters. A duplicate removal consists of choosing two adjacent and equal letters and removing them. We repeatedly make duplicate removals on else until we no longer can. Return the final string after all such duplicate removals have been made. It can be proven that the answer is unique. Example 1, we have this over here. So for example, we have S over here, which is this string, the variable for the string that contains the string. So we see we have this here. So we add that to the list since the stack is empty, and this one also, and then this one on top of this, and now this one here. Since we have this one over here, we delete this one over here. So move on to the next one. Since now this one's the one on top, so we remove this, and we don't have anything else. We add this, and we add this, and then this is the output. So this is basically the explanation. And same concept over here. We go to the string, we don't have anything in the string, we add this, we also add this. Since this one's already in the string, we take this one out. Now this one's on top, we take this one out, and since this one's not in it, we add this. So that's basically the concept. So this is a simple stack problem. Simple stack problem. Let's make our stack equals to feature in stack. No, S, feature in S. If stack is not empty, and this the top of the stack, take the one is equals to char. Let's start let's pop it off. If not, we just, for in this case, since these ones are not in it, we just add it. Stack the append char. And then return let's make it a string. That's what we have here. That join everything in the stack, and will be join stack. And that's basically, let's see. That should work. And it's been accepted. And time complexity in this case is over n. Time complexity of O of n. Space complexity is space. Yes, also of n. Space complexity O of n. Let's submit to see if it's going to pass all cases. And it's been able to pass all cases. Time complexity of n. Space complexity, oops, that's still time complexity. Space complexity of n, and that's it for this problem. It's a simple problem.